Hi all, join me as I take on the challenge of building a stronger resilience every day for a whole week. Let's see how much I can grow. You can also insert in the comments regarding how you build a stronger resilience. Resilience is all about being able to bounce back from life's challenges, and it's something we all need to navigate our busy lives. When Bruce Lee said it's all about being able to bounce back, think about it. Life can be tough and setbacks are normal part of the journey. Having strong resilience means you are better equipped to handle stress, anxiety and all the unexpected twists and turns that comes your way. One of the biggest obstacles to building resilience is stress. When we're feeling overwhelmed, it's hard to even think clearly and respond to challenges in a healthy way. You can't really think much, it just blocks you. Anxiety is another major hurdle. It can be crippling, making it hard to even take small steps towards tackling problem. It's like overthinking and negative scenario analysis, like you do overthinking of it. Then there's negative self-talk, which can really hold us back. When we're critical of ourselves, it's harder to find motivation to keep going. We also have to deal with external pressures like work, relationship stress, which can often wear us down. And let's not forget about the impact of social media, which often presents unrealistic expectations and makes us feel like we are not measuring up. Suddenly you see that you're receiving few likes or like very lesser views. You start overthinking and start talking negatively to yourself. Relatable, no? So, how do we build resilience? Mindfulness is a great place to start. Being present in the moment helps us stay focused and centered, even when things get tough. Positive thinking is another positive tool by shifting our mindset and focusing on the good things in the life, which can build our confidence and develop a more optimistic outlook. Having a support system is crucial too. Just surround yourself with people who encourage and support you. It can make all the difference in the world, and especially when we are facing challenges. And finally, taking care of our physical health is essential. Exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep all play a role in helping us stay resilient. I've seen the power of resilience in my own life. A few years ago, I hit rock bottom. I was feeling burnt out and I didn't know how to get back on track. But I made one conscious decision to start small, taking tiny steps towards building my resilience every day. I started practicing mindfulness, journaling, and reaching out to friends for support, like healthy friends. And you know what? It worked. I started to feel more confident, more capable, and more equipped to handle life's challenges. I began to see setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than threats to my ego, and I started to realize that I was stronger than I thought. Think everything is like a lesson. That experience taught me the importance of taking small steps towards building resilience every day. I learned that it's not about being perfect, but about being consistent, right? Consistent is very important. So, what are the key takeaways here? Building resilience is all about taking small daily actions that add up to a big difference. Small drops make a big ocean, right? Consistency. It's about being intentional about our thoughts, our actions, and our relationships. By incorporating simple practices like mindfulness, positive thinking, and healthier support system into our daily lives, we can develop the resilience we need to overcome everyday challenges. So, if you like such content, hit a like, comment, and subscribe for more such mindful revelations.